Hey everyone, today I'm doing a review of the website Minejerseys.cn for replica jerseys. I decided to try this website because the jerseys they're often $50 less than the real versions, and they're always in stock no matter what year they were made in. So I ordered 4 jerseys about a month ago, exactly a month ago. And the jerseys came today. The first jersey I got was the South Korea 2020 home jersey. This is it. It's got the Nike label, really good detail, and the logo. One thing I liked about this was it had the Nike tags, just like any other shirt. Korea. I'm usually a size medium in my jerseys, so I saw some reviews that said to order a size up because the jerseys are on small. I ordered the fan versions for all the jerseys I bought, and I ordered a medium in all of them. And I tried this jersey on, I tried all 4 of them on, and they fit perfectly. So for the fan versions, I would definitely order true to size. Here's the back. Same design as the front. And the second jersey I ordered was the France 2020 home shirt. This is it. Again, size medium. Looks really good. Here's the back. And the next jersey I ordered was the 1988 Netherlands classic jersey, Adidas Originals. It's got the Adidas tags. The detail is really good for only about $20-25 a jersey. Here's the back. Again, this fit true to size. The Adidas jerseys did fit a tiny bit smaller than the Nike ones, but they were still great. And the 1990 West Germany away jersey, similar to the Netherlands jersey. Green. Adidas Originals tag. And so yeah, these are the 4 jerseys I got. They all fit perfectly. When I had questions about shipping, I went into an online chat on the website, and they helped me immediately. Even during the pandemic, they came in right about a month from China, which is really good shipping. And that's it. I'd give it a 10 out of 10. Great website. I'm gonna order again soon. If you'd like to order, you can use the link in the description. It's a referral, which will give me money off, and I think you money off as well. And then you can use your own referral code. But yeah, it's a great website. Check out the link, and I definitely recommend. Thanks.